difficult. Help me help.
Hi guys, so today I'll be doing boy games request. Well, what was boy games request? So if we go on my video called how to use or get lock and load, so if you go on the bottom here, you will see he said do one on the force of nature, which is Scott's gun. So yeah, I would be doing his request today. So I'll be back for some seconds. So here we are on tier walkway again. So yes, I did see that the last video glitch. I mean the screen glitch. So I actually fixed it. So now we'll be talking about the stats. So the first stat is plus 50% faster firing speed. So what does that mean? It actually shoots a lot faster. That's how fast it shoots. That's how fast the Force of Nature shoots. This is how fast the scatter gun shoots. Yeah, it shoots a lot slower. So now the second stat is knockback on target and shooter. So what does that mean? If you see on scout frag clips, so you would see them using Force of Nature and double jumping and doing that. So how much height does it boost you? So I'll just go third person. So if we go here, we can't actually double jump to it even if we crouch jump. But if we double jump, then use the force of nature, that happens. So let's actually try there. Okay, so if we double jump, you can't actually. But if you do that, there, that's the only height that it boosts you. So I'll just first person there. Also, that can only work on servers that have SV cheats on. And it also says knockback on target. So if you shoot someone, you will just send them flying. So I mean, that means you can actually push people off a cliff or something dangerous, or maybe even push robots in MVM to that saw thing. So now the third stat is plus 20% bullets per shot. Well, that's actually like a damage bonus. So if we shoot the sniper, if we shoot the sniper here, wait. Sample the soldier. Oh, that was a random crit. So yes, 113 damage, but this is scatter gun. 104. So the fourth stat is minus 10% damage penalty. So that means this is supposed to be actually OP without the damage penalty, but it has a damage penalty. So I think this is supposed to be a plus 20% damage bonus, maybe, or maybe not. I think it also increases your accuracy because it has more bullets. There's a higher chance of hitting the enemy. So minus 66 clip size. So if you already know this gun only has 2 barrels. That means you can only shoot two clips. So, but you can still kill a soldier on close range, and also a sniper or any class that has 125 health. Well, not except a heavy, because a heavy has 300 health. Also, I had a correction on my last video on the lock and load. I said on the lock and load part, you can't kill a heavy with a lock and load, because with an overhealed heavy, because the lock and load only has three shots, and if you shoot the heavy, you will not kill the heavy. It's 3 shots, and I think I said you can only kill heavy with overheal heal with grenade launcher. Well, because the grenade launcher, the normal grenade launcher, the stock grenade launcher only has 100 damage. So that's and the stock grenade launcher has 4 clip size. So if you shoot a heavy, it will decrease the heavy's health to 50. So you can't kill a heavy with a stock grenade launcher either, with just 4 clip size. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also make sure to share the video so I can also shout out you on the next video. So also, if you have any requests, just make sure to comment down below, and there is a chance that I can't do it because I don't actually have all the items and TF2. So